Alright, this is the fifth video on the topic dictionaries. In this video, we are going to learn how to remove a key and a value from the dictionary. This is the dictionary I created about my laptop. So it has the name of the laptop, it has which processor I have, then it has which operating system it has, and then it has a shop where I bought the laptop. Okay, now let's save the file and run the code. So now I think that in this dictionary, now I want to remove the key shop because I think it is not required in this dictionary because I did not buy the laptop from the city mall and I don't remember where I bought it. So let's remove the shop key and its value. So again, let's compare with list. In list, what did we do when we wanted to remove a particular item from the list? We used pop index or remove. Okay, so here in dictionary also we will use pop, but instead of index we will use key. So we will write the dictionary name, which is laptop, then put dot or full stop or period, and then within round brackets we will put shop within quotes. So I write laptop dot pop within round brackets single quotes shop. Now let's copy and paste the print statement down again, save the file and run the code. So you will see that the key shop and its value has been removed from the dictionary. So the syntax for removing an item from the dictionary is the dictionary name dot pop, and within round brackets you give the key which you want to remove within single quotes if it is a string. Okay, so this is how we remove items from dictionary. Let us see one more example. So this is a dictionary we created for mango in our second or third video. Now let us remove the key color from this dictionary. So I write fruit dot pop round brackets within single quotes color. Now let's copy and paste the print statement here again. Now save the file and run the code. So color is removed from the dictionary. Let me try something really interesting. Let me try to remove the key quantity from the dictionary. So I copy the statement and put it here and put quantity. Now, do we have a key called quantity in this dictionary? No, we do not have. So what will happen when we run this code? That's right, we will get an error message. Let's save the file and run the code. See, we got the error. So we can only remove the keys that are already available in the dictionary. If the key is not available, Python will not be able to remove it, so it will give an error. Alright, so we have learned a lot about dictionaries and key value pairs. I will see you in the next video with an assignment for this week. See you soon.